And a dog? Aw.
Aged 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It just says Sparling, aged 1 day.
Oh, maybe it's a kid.
Might have been a newborn baby or something that didn't live.
That's sad.
What does it say?
He was 45 years old, right?
That's cool, man. Look at this little plot under a tree.
Just a date.
Yeah.
They were wealthy.
I'm videotaping this.
How are you?
Yeah. It's so peaceful.